100% trust not exist. Don't believe or trust anyone blindly because it hurt a lot when trust break. The most important money is the biggest thing and nothing more important than money in life. If you have money, everyone will be your friend. If you don't have money, even your parents, brother, sister will give you excuses to help you. Soon or later, you will understand these lessons. Time will say everything itself. You believe it or not, but everyone is selfish. Without it, no friendship possible. In your bad times, even your shadow will not with you. So always ready to face unexpected problems or disaster.